Hello, Jet Fan Man here. This was a attic fan I installed a few years ago up on a roof in Lombard, Illinois, and just want to show you how easy this can be. I've described a circle there on the roof. I actually pre-located that nail so I know that it's for sure exactly between the two rafters. So as I'm coming along the side there, I might just touch the rafter. It's a 16-inch diameter opening, and I'm cutting through the wood and the shingles at this point. I got this fan installed, at least the roof part done here in about 6 minutes, so it doesn't take long. One of the things that helped me out here was that it was really nice weather and the roof is walkable, so I don't have to worry about sliding down off the roof. I'm carefully loosening the shingles here and reaching up under the shingles with the flat bar to pull nails. You have to go kind of slow and easy here because older shingles can crack after sitting up in the sun. Here I'm trimming the shingles a little so water, as it comes down around the fan, has space to wash through any sticks or leaves that may try to get stuck between the shingle and the stack of the fan. Here I have inserted the fan up underneath the shingles at the top, and I let this flashing lay over the shingles at the bottom so the water will naturally drain right off. I'll just use a couple nails on the bottom and a nail under every course of shingles. Here I'm caulking the nails heads with a 100% silicone caulk. I'll use a little bit of caulk there on the sides just in case there's a strong wind, and then also some caulk underneath each course of shingles where I've separated them to keep the wind from blowing the shingles off. Once the shingles have been separated, sometimes they don't stick down as well as they did originally, so I'm gluing them back down. Get your Jet Fan Attic Fan, worldsbestatticfan.com.